Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix black and white iPad screen. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that will help you with our topic in this video. First, let's just go to our settings. From the options at the left, let's go to accessibility. And from here, let's go to display and text size. Let's scroll down and you should be able to see this option called color filters. So tap on that. And if it is currently turned on like this, have it turned off because by default grayscale is selected like this. And once you turn it off, it should turn off the grayscale screen as well. If you need it for specific eye conditions, you can turn it back on and you can then change the filters based on certain eye conditions. You can also add a color tint right here. And if you don't like grayscale, just turn it off like that. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.